Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see who gave you Robux. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go to Play Store, and just here what you need to do, you have to download Roblox app. So simply as you can see, I have already installed this application in my cell phone, and after that just simply open this application. And now here you can see there are many pages here like home page, profile, settings page. So simply in order to check who gave you Roblox, so simply just you have to go to home page, and after that here you can see on the top right side the notification button. So simply just click on notification button. So here you can check who sent you Roblox. So simply just when you go to notification, after that simply you will find the option here, just simply check and open this. So in this way you can check the Robux that who gave you. So this is the very simple method. Just follow all these steps to check who gave you Roblox.